I'm not.
You are. How tall are you? Like 10?
Depends who's asking.
Depends who's asking. Is she wearing heels or no? Huh?
That's what I'm saying.
No, if she's asking how tall he is, it's another question.
All right, so
I'm asking how tall he is this way.
In front. How you feeling right now?
I'm hungry. I'm tired.
France right here. I got motivated by Zila and David Dobrik. Shout out to you guys. So I saw that kind of took this guy through his whole entire journey, how he lost 50 pounds in 6 months.
50 pounds in 6 months.
And then he weighed 220. He ended up being 164, something like that. How much do you weigh?
I think 385.
385. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make him lose probably like about 100 to like 80 pounds within the first 6 months, right? Because obviously you weigh a lot more than the guy, so I think it'll be easier. And yeah, we're gonna teach him, like, you know, how to eat right, do all this stuff, and then you're learning how to trade at the same time.
Exactly.
So I'm, you know, kind of do both fitness and then trade with him throughout this whole entire 6 month journey. You're about to see his whole entire change. And let's get it. Let's get it. Like 90?
Sorry, 89.
89. Because today's not over yet, so it's still 90. We just started. You lucky I have these weights in my hands, son.
Shut up, Jid.
Oh shit.
Hey, bro, why you hurting my trainer, bro?
there you go.
You're losing when you have to look up to him.
I know, no, but he got my back. He got my back.
Why you trying to hurt my trainer, bro? Why are you trying to hurt my trainer?
Don't start, France.
Yo.
Nope, doesn't count.
Just set and forget. All right, what's up, guys? Now welcome to the office, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys in this video my trading strategy, or a trading strategy that's going to literally show you guys how to make thousands trading Forex. It's very simple. I'm going to pop up on my screen right now, boom, or boom, wherever it is on the screen. I'm going to show you the results. Not only my results, but the students in the boot camp, Lou France's results, literally, because I'm going to be trading with Lou France while I build them in this whole entire 6 months, because, you know, it's going to force me to go to the gym, and while I'm going to the gym, I'm like, you know what, might as well let me just change somebody's life. So it's like a win-win for everybody, right? So literally, not only this strategy makes me thousands of dollars, but it makes everybody in my signals and then everybody that I educate in the bootcamp, right? So you guys can see that it is very, very simple, right? I don't want to say the secret, but the secret to my trading would definitely be support and resistance, right? Like, I will never buy if I'm not at a support, and I will never sell if I'm not at a resistance. It's very simple, but also very overlooked. It's a very, very simple concept. And I'm not going to go back testing. I'm not going to go make, you know, show you guys previous examples or anything like that. I feel that's very fake. Well, not fake, because, you know, there's just sometimes that you have to go back in time. But what I want to do from this point forward, I'm going to try my best on doing, is showing you guys live trading results. So this is literally live. Like this trade right now, I am currently in. Let me actually show you guys this trade that I'm currently floating in right now, as you guys can see, so you guys know that it's not fake. You guys can see here, let it load. NZD CAD. Where the hell is the screen? Hold on, let me just do it like this. You guys can see right here, this is NZD CAD currently floating about 10,000. Let me put the brightness down so you guys can see it better. So you guys can see right here, NZD CAD floating 10,000 in profit. As you guys can see right here, NZD CAD, same exact buy entry. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I literally took this trade based off of support and resistance. I didn't take it off anything else, right? So this strategy will make you thousands. Everybody in the signal group as well is eating. So you guys can see right here. First of all, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys are going to see the whole entire journey of Lou France for the next 6 months. Like, I'm literally going to completely shave like this whole entire guys' body transformation. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But with that being said, always start off from the top, analysis. So you guys can see here how we're obviously on the weekly time frame. We are bullish. You guys can already kind of see a huge, and one of my favorite reversal patterns, left head. And again, potential right shoulder. It's not a confirmed right shoulder until we don't break above the neckline, right? But what is the main important thing? Where are we on the weekly time frame? We are at a very respected and very strong weekly support, weekly support, weekly resistance, resistance, support, 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 very strong support. Keep in mind, we are on the weekly time frame. So this is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. We rejected this area, rejected again, and then again, right? So what are we doing? Support, meaning we're looking to buy, right? So we've identified that on the weekly time frame. Then we go down to the daily. Same thing. Notice how you have level of support all through here, support through here, resistance, and then support. Very simple approach that I had on this when I came to do the analysis with the people from the bootcamp and with the signal group. I'm like, all right, guys, it's very simple. All I'm looking for is to buy the support. Last time we came into the support, what do? We rejected. Last time we came into the support, what do? Rejected. But notice after every rejection, what do? We always come back to retest it. What do we do after a rejection? We come back to retest it. So I just entered on the next retest. But this is where I go down to the 4 hour. And also keep in mind, we are above the daily EMA. Notice how we are, the EMAs you just support, resistance, support through here, resistance, and all of that, right? So on the 4 hour time frame, this is where I go down to the 4 hour, and I'm looking for my entries either on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. It really does depend, right? It's not like the same for every trade. So currently right now on the 4 hour, you guys can see here how we are rejecting support, and then support. But I'm like, I can't really buy here because, you know, it's a secret, not a secret, but it's a secret definitely with my strategy that I wanted to kind of show in the bootcamp. I couldn't buy here because of that, right? So this is where I go down to the lower time frames. I'm like, all right, cool, guys. You know what? I'll just wait for the break out of it. And then once again, you can see here my favorite reversal pattern, left head, and then a right shoulder. This is a confirmed right shoulder because what do? We broke above and we retested the neckline. Notice here after we get the retest of the neckline, what do? We obviously have the push, but where are we buying? We're buying at a resistance that is used as support. Very simple, very, very, very simple. My stops were a little bit large, but my take profit is going to be a total of a 1 to 5. I'm currently floating a total of, well, I was up a 1 to 2.5, but right now I'm currently at a 1 to 7. But I'm going to be holding this all the way to the upside, right? So this is real. There's no replay button on here. This is all like currently like live market. So I don't know what's going to be the end result of this. I do believe it's going to continue heading to the upside. As you guys can tell here right now, we have just broken above this 4 hour structure. And if you look left, what is it? Once again, it is a level of support, resistance, support, resistance. And now what are we using it as? Support. So this same exact level that we did right here, you guys can see how it's a level of resistance, support, resistance, broke, retested, use it as support, go. Now it's literally just repeating the market pattern that it's going to continue going. So right now where we are is basically right here. We're retesting structure. So it's just set and forget, just let it do its thing. So I mean, this is one of the main trades that I am looking for right now. Let's kind of put that back how it was so it's cleaner like that. I don't like having too many lines on my chart. I like having it as clean as possible. Maybe I'll look to add an entry in a little bit, maybe not sure yet. I'm just waiting to see how we kind of react from this level here. But if you guys want to know any more information on my trading, the link is in the description below. The best broker that I am currently using, the best signal that I sent out, my free Telegram bootcamp application. I mean, the bootcamp, I'm pretty sure is just going to sell out, honestly, pretty fast because I only work with about 15 people once a quarter. I don't have a course. I don't have anything. You know, all I have is, you know, the free stuff I do here on YouTube, and then the signals and then the bootcamp, obviously. But besides that, I really have anything else, right? I don't want to do a course. I feel like it's you know, very simple. I feel like I want to impact people more on a personal level. If I, you know, build you and work with you for, you know, 2-3 weeks at a time, and then I put you in a community with like very serious people, right? Because if let's say every quarter I work with 15 people, by the end of, you know, 2-3 quarters, I'll have a solid like group of 30 serious traders, right? So that's kind of what I'm trying to build. I'm trying to be that person that I was wishing that I had when I started trading. That's why I have the whole entire podcast and coming out, so you guys already know. Set and Forget podcast every single Friday. Bootcamp application just below, or shoot me a DM, see if you guys could lock in your seats. But the next bootcamp is going to be on April 9th. So I just came off one right now, and I'm just like motivated to keep pushing and educating people, so you guys can continue making profits like this. So thank you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.